Hi, Jerry from Comfort here again to talk about our double hung window. We've been manufacturing windows since 1983, and the double hung is by far the most popular window in the country. Basically, you'll see more double hungs than any other type of window. Why is this window popular? Double hung means you can raise it up from the bottom, you can also lower it from the top. It became a real popular window early on because it's by far the easiest to clean. When you want to clean these, you're going to raise them up, tilt the sash in. I'm now cleaning the outside of the window. Let it hang down, bring this one down. It's this easy. Tilt the sash in, clean the outside of the window. Window goes back into place, up into the pocket. This window goes back into place, down into the sill, lock it, and you're done. Very popular. You will never need storm windows either. This window does it all because you can either buy it with quad shield glass, which is basically impenetrable. Then we have it in triple pane and in double pane to fit any type of need you might want in your home. So once again, this is the Comfort double hung window, and it's manufactured by us right here in Central New York, and it comes with Comfort's all-inclusive warranty, covers labor, parts, and we absolutely use no subcontractors. Great window for your home.